Thank you for checking out the True North ROI method, the 4-step method to achieving 10 to 30 exclusive leads within 30 days. Here's our 4-step process that we do with all of our solar companies. First, we gather the intel, deliver the ads, close the leads, and optimize the sales process. When we're talking about gathering intel, we're talking about taking the ideal client avatar that is unaware of who you are to the most aware and ready to sign on with you to get that quote and to ultimately become your client. Then we help you with creating your high value offer to where you get people to say, shut up and take my money versus, you just sound like another solar company. We help you with your roadmap to go from ads to actual client and everything in between. Let's take a deeper look into that system audit. You can see that there's ads, landing pages, and surveys all the way to getting an offer made and what you can do. All in this sequence right here is you can see the lead sequences from booking, no-shows, referrals, and more. Do you have this system in place right now with strategy, offer, automation, and value in place? If not, stop the video and let's just get in touch right now. But guess what? We also deliver the ads for you. We help craft the ad messages for Google and Facebook that are relevant for your area that don't sound like anyone else out there. We build out the campaigns in Google ads. We also launch in Facebook ads as well. Then you're able to measure the performance in those dashboards because you know why? You own the accounts. Stop renting your marketing systems. You give us access to your Google and to your Facebook ads so that we can deliver those results and we have full transparency behind what we're doing on there. When it comes to closing leads, you're able to report we report the quick wins to you for the lead notifications. So you get lead notifications through email and SMS for who they are, what's their number, some of the questions that we ask, what's their address, and then how to log into it, to log into our system to be able to see those leads. We refine the process through our landing page and through our booking page so you can be able to see what's working, what's not, to ultimately optimize those conversion rates for call or text. We also have a real-time reporting dashboard so you're able to see how many opportunities are coming in, what's your pipeline value of the average install and even install per client, and then what's your conversion rate on the close. You can also see closed, open, and wins. This is actually a screenshot of a first week case study that we've done with the client in Arizona, so you can see the results are there. As we go through, you get full access to a solar lead management CRM to be able to track your conversations, your opportunities, and more to see which ones are coming in and what's happening. This allows you to have call, text, email, update leads, and auto triggers in there all in one spot. So you can see all of your lead management in one spot and see what's happening with it. From there, we're able to optimize the sales process. We improve the nurture sequence by understanding what's working, what's not. We reduce your cost per acquisition by understanding what your cost per lead and cost per client. Stop paying per lead. It is not in the benefit of you to do that. Find opportunities to improve, basically lead feedback. What are they saying? What are they not? What's improving the messaging? And then the ultimate thing of scaling the system for ROI, meaning a return on investment for working with us. We're going to be in 66 markets by Q3 of this year, which creates an unfair advantage for our clients because we're going to be learning a lot faster of what's working, what's not, and be able to improve upon every single client on a daily basis. Keep in mind, we only work with one client per area. So you need to reach out to us regarding availability in your area so that we don't work with anyone else as well in your area. So per metro, meaning like the Dallas area, the Arizona area, the Las Vegas area, and so forth. Are you having lead conversations like this? This is from one of our clients that even says, hey, look, we got 65 leads this week. This is absolutely amazing. Only since Thursday, right? We're going to be breaking records, and they have. And they keep continually breaking records even through the winter time. They don't take a break, and they're crushing it. Here's the first 48 hours. That's number 3 in sales. My sales guys are on fire. They're going to be begging for the solar leads. So this is what happened within the first 48 hours in Arizona. Here's the video to prove it. So you can see a testimonial on the offer page, and you can also view this video. Here's another testimonial right here about how their leads and digital sources increased 30 to 40% since they signed on with us. So it's absolutely crushing it with them. We help solar companies get 10 to 30 exclusive leads within 30 days. Now we have a satisfaction guarantee on that. In the extreme rare case, which has not happened yet, where we don't generate at least 10 exclusive leads for you in the first 30 days, we will work for free. I don't know anyone else that's going to be offering that to you. So let's schedule a call today and let's get started. I'm stoked to be talking with you. Let's make it happen. Thanks.